Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing for LipMonthly. It actually did come with a card this month. This is the June 2020 bag. It shows a few of the items. There's a little note here. It says, just a heads up, the bags have not been our normal bags for the last 2 months. We've been delayed on shipment of our bags. We promise they're going to be great. We've come up with all new designs, and in a few months we'll be coming out with a whole new look of the bags too. So make sure to stay tuned. So that's exciting. And I hope they stick with the card. I like seeing the retail prices for it. So, cute bag. Take a look at what's inside. So the first item that I'm pulling out is from Lord & Berry. And this is number 3041 Vintage Rose Lip Liner. That is a pretty color. So got that. I don't know if that was on here or not. Yep. So that retails for $15, it says. Ooh, this packaging. It feels real soft. It's not like a typical, like a cardboard or paper. Interesting. This is by Cargo. Essential Lip Color. And this is Dubai, is the shade. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm going to open it this way. Packaging, all silver. It has some weight to it too. It's kind of nice and heavy. Ooh, I like that color. That is pretty. I like the nudes and like the browns as opposed to like a red or a pink. So I think that's gorgeous. And this one retails for $22. Two more items in here. This one is Luna by Luna. And I don't see this one on the list as far as the prices. Ooh, that is like a bright red. It is called Pandora. That's the name of it, or the shade rather. And it's a lip crayon. That is a very bright shade. Some people that have a fair skin tone like mine, they look good in those colors. I don't. But I could probably pass that along to a friend. Again, these are all full size, so it's a good value for the price. I'll put all the information below so you can check it out. This one is a lip gloss by Larizzi Cosmetics. The struggle, there we go. That's a nice shade as well. Looks like there's a little bit of shimmer or a sparkle to it. Yeah, that's pretty. And on the card it says Appeal Cosmetics liquid lipstick for $21. That is not this, so I don't know if some of the bags maybe had that item, but this one didn't. But either way, got 4 full-size items, really great products, and again, a really good deal. I'll put the link below where you can sign up, the price, all that information in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.